now broken up the tarmac and the concrete that was below it out here, and inside I'm working down the left hand side, digging it down to depth, just looking out for cables and pipes, digging that across a bit and working along the house wall and then back up and out, and then we're going to have a hook loader arrive, and I'll use my grab lorry to load the hook loader over the top. Type 1 at the front end, and we've got the 20mm gravel at the back end. So we'll put the stone into the drop curb, top up the driveway, and then put the membrane down on the drive, put the gravel in on top, spread that around, and we're going to tarmac the drop curb today as well. Now got the curbs in front and back, front road curbs and the edgings. We've got the new hardcore in on the full driveway area, compacted it. We used the whacker but then decided to use the diesel roller as well, just to give it a really good thump down. Got the new gravel boards into the side, screwed into the existing fence. We're next going to put the membrane down and then gravel on the drive, and the other truck has gone to pick up the tarmac to go into the drop curb as well. and I'm going to go and pick up some ballast now and cement so that we can do a gravel trap along the back, which is what the council expect us to do, so that the gravel doesn't all work its way out into the road.